Changing your settings will make your data last longer on iPhone. We all know iPhone sucks data. It backs up your videos, your pictures. Imagine uploading a video. You should shot a YouTube video of 3 gig and it backs it up with your data. So just change the settings. First, you want to go to settings, rather. Open your settings app, and then you want to go to network, cellular network, cellular. You can see cellular here. It's off now. Let me put it on in case there's any settings we need to change. Now, if you notice what I did, I put off the data for some things like for App Store. When I want to download a new app, I will go and put it on. If you be careful of all these settings, I would advise you carry a book and a pen so that you write down the settings you changed in case you find any difficulty, any strange behavior on your phone. So, but it shouldn't affect you. This is App Store. If you put it off, your App Store will stop using your network, which means you cannot download new apps. But it's okay by me because I've downloaded the apps I need. If I find a need to download a new one, I will just come back to settings and put it on. Also, you can see Safari is on, Epic browser is off. I use Epic because of the VPN. Opera Mini is on, Chrome off, Instagram sucks data, it's off. I even put off that for Facebook, but I left that for Messenger. WhatsApp, I left it on. YouTube Studio, it's on. You can see LinkedIn is off. Video Show, Share It, Pocket FM, Uquad, I put those off. If you know you use LinkedIn often, if you know you use these apps often, especially those that are network apps like LinkedIn, social media sharing apps, LinkedIn, you can put it on. But for now, I put it off. So you can put it off. Your Truecaller, Mail, MIXR is on. You can just go through it and put off as much as you can. As many as you can, put them off, because they will be updating at the background and they will be, sucking your data. Now, when you're done, put as much as you can off, except the necessary ones. Like my Evernote is on because I keep some, I'm very, very particular about notes. Keeping notes, I've been keeping some notes for over 5 years. 5 years on my Evernote. So I want it to automatically back up my notes, my Evernote details. So that is just it. Now when you're done with that, you come over to, you scroll down, you draw your screen down, you slide your hand over the screen down so that the search icon can show, and then you click on search up, and then you type back. The reason I said you should type back, we want to turn off background app refresh. We want to turn off as many apps as we can, then back up. So let us go over to backup first. You can see iCloud backup. What do you want it to back up? You have to put as many as you can off. Photos backup is on. Do you want your photos backed up? If you don't want, you can put it off. iCloud backup on. Keychain off. Just like that. News. All these are on. You can just put them off for backup. Put a lot of them off. I'm going to put in flyer maker off. Card driving, app advice, shortcuts, iMovie, and putting those backup off. Siri off, Game Center. But Siri should be a system app, so be careful when you turn off system app. Okay, we cannot turn off iCloud. Okay, so I don't want to turn off system apps. Make sure you read the warning when it gives you warning. I want news off. You see Safari is I don't want Safari off because it's a system app. But you see all these other, even notes should not be off. So just do not turn off iCloud Drive, but just check through, and those that you need to turn off, like Telegram, I'm turning it off, VOC, turning it off. If you don't turn this off, your chatting networks, do not turn them off, because you might want to recover some chats and important documents might have been shared. So I turn off Messenger. Why should my Messenger be backed up? So Media Convert, LinkedIn. If you know you use LinkedIn for business purposes, do not turn it off. Now we're done with iCloud, right? So now we're done with iCloud backup, Apple ID and iCloud to iCloud. Now we're going to background app refresh. You see it's still under, let me go back to show you. You see this is still under the back that I typed in the settings. I typed back and it showed backup and background app refresh. So let us go background app refresh. I've turned them off, so check yours. If most of them will be turned on, scroll through. Most apps shouldn't refresh in background. They will only suck your data. So put as many as you can off, except those you know you use very frequently and always regularly using it. So you can leave those ones on and your vital apps. But for me, most of this, even TikTok, I put it off. Shouldn't refresh in the background. Instagram is a data sucker. I put it off like that. So it doesn't mean the app won't work. It will work when you go to click on it. It will work when you go to click on it. So that's that. Put as many as you can off. Make sure you take note of everything you turned off in case you do not understand how your phone is behaving. You can correct it. Okay. That should be all. Okay. So we're done with that. Go back. Okay, so not to make this video too long, let us leave it at this point. You guys hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Like you can see in the under the cellular network, scroll down. This is exactly what I've been looking for. Cellular network. Scroll under this Wi-Fi assist, you see the iCloud Drive. Click it off. When not connected to Wi-Fi, use cellular network to transfer documents and data. Yeah. Your iCloud Drive, it transfers your documents to iCloud, meaning uploading your document. So you have to put it off. You have to put it off. Or else, if it's turned on, it will keep uploading your documents. I hope this was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I just give you value. Consider subscribing. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. The next video I recommend to you is how to rename files in iPhone. So check out the end screen after this video and watch it. Thank you for watching. Do not leave without giving a comment and a thumbs up. Bye.